Are there any new developments in Elisabeth Fritzl's story since her rescue in 2008?
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the latest developments in the tragic story of Elisabeth Fritzl since her rescue in 2008. Let's dive right in and find out what has happened in the years following her escape from captivity.
Life after rescue.
After Elisabeth Fritzl's rescue in 2008, she and her children faced numerous challenges as they tried to rebuild their lives. Elisabeth had been held captive by her own father, Joseph Fritzl, for 24 years in a concealed basement beneath their family home in Austria. During her captivity, she was subjected to repeated physical and sexual abuse, which resulted in the birth of 7 children. Upon her rescue, Elisabeth and her children were placed under protective care to ensure their safety and well-being. They were provided with medical, psychological, and emotional support to help them cope with the traumatic experiences they had endured. The family's identities were kept confidential to protect their privacy and allow them to heal away from the public eye.
Legal proceedings.
Following Elisabeth Fritzl's escape, a high-profile legal case unfolded, putting Joseph Fritzl on trial for his heinous crimes. In 2009, Joseph Fritzl was found guilty of multiple charges, including rape, incest, and false imprisonment. He was sentenced to life imprisonment and psychiatric care, with the possibility of parole after 15 years.
Impact on public awareness.
Elisabeth Fritzl's story shocked the world and shed light on the dark reality of long-term captivity and abuse. Her courage in coming forward and sharing her ordeal led to increased awareness and discussion about domestic violence, abuse, and the importance of recognizing and reporting such crimes. Her case prompted reforms in legislation and support systems for victims of abuse, aiming to prevent similar tragedies in the future.
Recent updates.
Since the initial media coverage following the Fritzl case, there have been limited updates on Elisabeth and her family. This is likely due to their desire for privacy and the ongoing efforts to rebuild their lives away from the public eye. It is crucial to respect their wishes and give them the space they need to heal and move forward. In conclusion, since Elisabeth Fritzl's rescue in 2008, her story has had a profound impact on society's understanding of abuse and the importance of supporting victims. While limited updates have been available about her and her family's progress in recent years, it is crucial to respect their privacy and allow them to continue their journey of healing. We hope that this video has provided you with some insights into the developments in Elisabeth Fritzl's story. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.